Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I want us to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Brent oil. I'm looking at this chart because it looks really interesting. We do have a very good resistance level from around 71.383, 77.158. This is a very good level. So while we don't see price clearly ascend beyond this point, this is a very good place we want to look for a sell from. Technically, we do expect price to sell off at least up to this point. So if you're on this chart now, expect sellers to come in strongly, at least up to 53.948. 49, sorry, here. If the price should close beyond 72.158, then that would mean we are now continuing upwards, at least up to 84.039. The other symbol which I want us to look at is SP500. For this one, I'm going to attach the alligator indicator just to help us understand the trend. You can see that this is in an active uptrend. The price currently is heading strongly to the upper side. So if you're on this chart now, I recommend you look for more buy positions. Expect price to continue to the upper side. Keep looking for more buy orders. Wait for pullbacks. If the price can pull back at least up to one of those levels, then that will give us a correct place to look for a trade from. So basically, if the price can come back up to somewhere around this point here, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So you either wait and buy along the green line, or wait and buy along the red line, or wait and buy along the black line. Any of this will give us a correct place to look for a buy from. Just the same way the price came back with this tail here, almost touching it. This could have been a buy. Price came back, that still could have been a buy. The other symbol which I want us to look at is gold. Gold, so far the price is approaching a very significant, it's around a very significant monthly resistance level, this one. What we want to happen now, we actually do not expect price to close beyond the highest body, the one we have so far, this one. So if the current mass candle goes up and ends up around this level here, we don't expect it to close above. We basically just want price to attempt going above, but then it should come back and close below it. If that happens, then we do expect a move to the lower side, at least up to this point, at least around 1354.49. So if you're on this chart now, we are sellers. We expect sellers to come in strongly on this chart, at least up to 1354.49. The other symbol which I want us to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD, so far, this is we have some good trend here. On the monthly chart, we do have some very good trend line. Just that the price looks like it broke beyond it. Have this here. So this is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, and then there is a break above. So while the price remains beyond this level here, there is another level here where the price should break above before you can say that this is now upwards. We do have a level here. This is a very good level that if the price does not break above 1.24385, then this is a good place to sell from. If the price fails to break above this point, the upper line, then that's a good place to sell from, at least up to 1.05187, this one here. So expect a sell from within this area. Hold on to that sell up to around 1.05187. The other symbol is GBP USD. The British pound dollar, there's a resistance level where the price needs not to go beyond. We have this is the resistance level where we actually are waiting for price around. It's there already. So you can see that this is like a resistance. There's this an attempt to break below, return up below. There is a sell there, and then there is a sell here. So we want sellers to come in strongly from within 1.44787, 1.42353. We'll sell it from that point. up to around 1.23257. So if you're on this chart, sell orders are more ideal, despite the fact that the previous month's candle was actually one big candle. As it is now, sells look much better. So I do recommend you look for sell positions. Wait for candles, maybe exhaustion candles, bearish engulfing candles. Look for bearish inside bar candles from within this area. Pick that sell position with your take profit at 1.23257. The other symbol is USDJPY. So these two, there is a very good trend line. This one. Look at what's happening. This is like a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and then there's this break above. So as it is now, we are in a bias territory. We do expect buyers to push price up at least up to 116.979. So look at the green candle which broke beyond that trend line. It's like the third one from the previous candle. So if you count from the current one, it's the fourth one. It was green big candle which opened below the black trend line, and then it closed above. That's the breakout. Then the red candle pulled back to the same place. As we're speaking now, we are yet to see any clear move to the upper side, but we do believe that the price will continue upwards, at least up to around 116.979. If the price ascends above this point, then the next level is this. Then the next level is this on 124.219. And then you also have another level here. So these are some of the few levels where we are looking for price at. We want price to either touch those areas so that we can look for trades. If the price continues to sustain itself above the upper trend line, then that is a good sign that we are supposed to be buying up to the line which you have 116.979. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. See you.